General Data Protection Regulation officially came into effect on the 25th of May 2018. As a direct result, any organisation that fails to protect data concerning citizens of the European Union can now be subject to fines of €10 million or 2% of annual global turnover, depending on which is higher. It could be logical to assume that GDPR would have resulted in data breaches becoming less frequent, but in reality, this has not been the case. In the 8 months that followed its introduction, more than 59,000 breaches were reported in Europe alone. Research published in the latter part of 2019 also revealed that an astonishing 4.1 billion records were compromised in the first 6 months of this year. More alarming still is that the US don't have the same broad regulations like GDPR requiring data breaches be reported. This means that the statistics do not actually reflect the severity of the problem. Anyone seeking further proof that cybercrime has not abated as a result of GDPR need only consider the fact that experts have predicted that by 2021, the global cost of digital felonies will exceed $4 trillion. All in all, this environment creates something of a perfect storm. Organizations will find themselves subject to increasingly large number of cyber attacks, whilst authorities will impose larger fines on any of the victims. Fortunately, ROC has a solution. By encrypting a client's data and managing the keys needed to decrypt it, ROC can ensure that any data obtained by a cybercriminal remains obfuscated. This significantly reduces the likelihood of an organization receiving a fine. Alongside encryption, we offer dark web monitoring services to make sure that if your data is on the dark web or makes it to the criminal marketplace, we'll be able to inform you in real time and help you plan a path forward.